Welcome students. Today we are going to study curve fitting. We're going to study least square, and very important example we are going to see on how we are going to fit a parabola. Please remember parabola is a second degree. So therefore second degree, how we are going to fit today, let us see, and we'll solve examples on the parabola, second degree parabola curve we are going to simplify today. So here we have the definition of curve fitting, the process of constructing an approximate curve y is equal to f of x which fit best to a given discrete set of points xi, yi. So here we have I is equal to 1 to till n is called curve fitting. So please remember this students that a curve will be given y is equal to f of x. Let it be different curves like parabola is there, straight line is there, and our exponential curve. So that three curves we can construct in this curve fitting. So let us go immediately without wasting our time. What is the principle of least square, students? Yes, please write down in your book. The principle of least square is one of the most popular method for finding the curve of best to a given data sets. Please remember there will be always a given data set xi and yi, and where we are going to fit this data. Okay, for all the three methods or four methods are there, we are going to fit. For any method we can fit this data. So let us take a curve. Let y is equal to f of x be the equation of the curve to be fitted to a given set of points. So let us take the point p1, p2 till pn. So there are set of points we are going to take, and let us construct this curve fitting. You can write down, students. Then at a point x is equal to xi, we are going to take, let there be n number of x points and n number of y points. We have to observed value of the ordinates yi and the expected value be f of xi. The difference between the observed and expected value is error. So you know, students, already we calculate some values using the formula, and actual value will be different, approximate value will be different. So that the difference between the observed value and expected value, the difference is nothing but our error, and which is given by this ei is equal to yn minus f of xn. So simply we take this formula that the difference between the observed value and expected value as ei, which is equal to yn minus f of xn, students. Okay, so in this, now let us see such errors you may get many. Okay, many errors you will get in this, students. Please remember. So how we are going to do? Yes, the square each error ei and adding, we'll just square these errors. Okay, both the sides I will square it, and I say that this ei, okay, ei I will just denote it by capital E. Square of this I will just take it as capital E. So like this we're going to get sum of all this errors, so which is given by this formula, that is E is equal to summation I 1 to n yi minus f of xi the whole square. So please remember this formula, write down in your book, students. Very, very important formula, that for all the least square we are going to use this error finding. Okay, we are going to find this error. Whatever the error is there, we say it as least square error, or it is the difference between the observed value and expected value. Okay, students. So let us go with the curve of best fit, is that for which E is minimum. Yes, please remember this, students. When the E is minimum, we can say that this, whatever taking the error, finding the observed value and expected value error, and then squaring them and adding, we get it as E, which is minimum. This is called the principle of least square. So we are going to find the least square, means minimizing the error. Okay, so in this very, very important example will come in the exam, that is fitting a parabola. Please remember, students, this is also known as fitting a second degree parabola. Just now we discussed. Yes, students, please remember it is fitting of second degree parabola. In this equation, please write down y is equal to a plus bx plus c x square. So you can take this as small also. Some of the book they take this as y is equal to a plus bx plus c x square. Okay, this is second degree parabola. Let equation of the parabola to be fitted to the given set of data points. Please remember, students, data point they will be always x1 y1 x2 y2 dot 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 till xn yn. This data points are nothing but they will give in the form of table. So in the table, please remember, always they give x and y points. Okay, for all the x and y points, please remember we have to solve this using the normal equation. So how we take the normal equation, students? Please remember this, whatever y is there and wherever x is there, you can see there is a set of points. Therefore, we take this as set of points as summation on both the sides. Okay, write down, students, summation on both the sides. So what will be the summation, students? That is summation of y is equal to, please remember here there is no variable in this a. So this summation 1, normally we consider 1 is there as a constant, as a is constant, so we'll take into 1. This is going to become our n. So just simply I say that a into summation 1, I will take this as n. So I think you remember, friends. In my previous lecture also we have discussed this fitting of a straight line. Please go through that video also. So I'm going to take n. Now b is constant, I will write b as it is, summation of x, plus c is constant, I will take summation of x square. Similarly, now I want to take, because one equation we can't simplify, therefore we require simultaneous equations. So I will again multiply here, multiply x on both the sides. So therefore when we multiply, students, we get here summation of xy is equal to, a remains again constant because summation of x is there here. We can take this as a summation of x, as summation of x, plus b, already x is here, so if I multiply one more summation of x, it will become summation of x square, plus it is going to become plus c summation of x cube. So everywhere I have multiplied summation of x on both the sides, on both the sides. So therefore these equations will become our normal equations, which is given in this case. So here we can see, students, this is our equation 1, take this as equation 1, 2, and one more equation is there, equation 3, because there are 3 variables a, b, c, therefore we require 3 simultaneous equations. So again I will multiply to this summation of x again on the both the sides, on both the sides. Please remember, this will become, x will become x square, y will remain as it is, a remains as it is, x will become again x square, plus b summation of, again please remember, this x square, if I multiply x, it will become x cube, plus c summation of, in this case it is already x cube is there, so I will multiply x, it is going to become x raised to 4. So therefore we get this 3 equations. Please write down this, students. Normal equation, summation of y is equal to na plus b into summation of x plus c into summation of x square. First equation. Second equation will be summation of xy is equal to a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square plus c into summation of x cube. Similarly, summation of x square y is equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x cube plus c into summation of x raised to 4. Okay, students, you have written. Okay, so we'll go to the very, very important method. Please write down the method, students, or you can just go through the method. Simple method is there. I'll repeat. So to solve the equation for parabola, which is second degree, okay, to use the normal equations. So this is equation 1, 2, 3. This is our step 1. Step 2, please remember, students, take the table with x, y, xy, x square, y, x cube, y cube. So you can just see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 we require in the table. Looking at the equation 1, 2, 3, we have to take down the table. So what we are going to solve, we want summation of x. You can see here we require summation of x. Yes, we require summation of x. We can see we require summation of x. Summation of y we require. Yes, friends, in the formula we require summation of y, so we have to solve for summation of y. Summation of x square we require. Yes, in the formula summation of x square is there. Similarly, summation of x square y is required. Also we require summation of x cube. Also we require summation of x raised to 4. Also we require summation of x y. So all these things we require from the formula of normal equation. We have to do it in our table. So we'll see in the example. That is simple. Substitute in the normal equation. So after finding summation of x, summation of y, summation of x square, summation of x square y, summation of x cube, summation of x raised to 4, summation of x y, all these equations we are going to substitute in the normal equation. We get simultaneously 3 equations. From these 3 equations, students, I think you already know that finding a, b, c. You can see in my previous video lecture that how we find a, b, c using simultaneous 3 equations. Okay, even in the calculator I'm going to simplify. Yes, students, the best way of solving these simultaneous equations is your calculator. I'm going to show you the calculator. I think I'm going to use this type of calculator where you can see very easily what are the answers. I can show you on the screen. Yes, Rahul, Usmita, can you see the calculators, beta? Okay, thank you. So we can see how we are going to find. Yes, thank you, beta, to reply. So we'll just see how we are going to find a, b, c using the simultaneous 3 equations. Lastly, after finding the simultaneously 3 equations a, b, c, we're going to substitute in the parabola, that is y is equal to a plus bx plus c x square, and then we get our fitting the second degree parabola. Okay, shall we start with the example quickly? Yeah, very good. Everybody is waiting to simplify. Yes, students, please write down. Example 1, fit a second degree parabola to the given data. You can take here second degree if you want, or just parabola is also enough. So here the data points are given x, y, 10, 12, 15, 23, 20, and y they have given here 14, 17, 23, 25, and 21. Just write down in the book. Immediately, what you are going to do, students? Yes, please remember, you are going to follow the method. Step 1, take the data, whatever they have given, write it in the parabola equation. Remember the formula, that is normal equation. Write down once again the normal equations. Okay. Step 2, please remember, we are going to use the table. Take down in the table. Step 3, you are going to take the simultaneous equation. Step 4, you are going to find ABC and finish. And last step, we are going to substitute in the parabola equation. So here we take the solution here, students. So what is the solution here? We're going to see that how many data sets they have given: x1, y1, x2, y2, this is x3, y3, x4, y4, x5, y5. So therefore, this data sets are n is equal to 5. Please remember this, students, n is equal to 5 we have. Okay, so write down the formula. Step 1, solving, we get the normal equations. Okay, so we're going to take this normal equations. Please remember, not solving here the normal equations. Okay, understood. Okay, we're going to solve this normal equation. Let us take down the table. Step 2, take down the table, students. What is required? So first in the table you take x and y. Already you know how to take down in the table. So here what we have the table. So x, take down all the x values. How many x values are there here? It is 10, 12, 15, 23. And take down the y values. Take down these y values. Substitute all these values in the table, students, and then start solving the example one by one. Yes, students, quickly. I don't know how to exit this one. Here I have pen. Okay, I'll stop taking the pen. We'll take y now. Okay, so take your y. All the y values you calculate. Take down from the y equation, students. Okay, simplify sum of all the x. Can anybody tell me what is sum of all the x? Put it in the calculator. Sum of all the x. What we have? Please tell me what is sum of all the x?
80.
Yes, correct. The answer is correct. 80. You should get 80. Please calculate sum of all the y. Okay. So it is 80 in this case. Y. Please calculate, students. X, y. Please calculate x, y. Then you calculate immediately x square. Then you calculate x square y. Then you calculate x cube. One more is remaining, right? Can I add it here? Add it here. Okay, calculate x raised to 4. So this table you must get ready now. Everyone got the same answer, students? So here we can see 10 into 14 is 140, 12 into 17 is 204, and 15 into 23 is 345, 23 into 25 is 575, and 20 into 21 is 420. Then what is the summation of x into y? So we'll take here summation of x into y. So everybody must get. Everyone got the same answer? Now we'll go for the x square. Okay, x square, here we have 10. 10 square is 100, 12 square is 144, 15 square is 225, 23 square is 529, 20 square is 400. Can anybody tell me how much is summation of x square? I told you, students, first only that you must be ready with the calculator. Very fast you have to calculate. So the
1398.
yeah, very good, excellent. Thank you for your answer. The answer is correct. That is 1398. Immediately go with the x square into y now. Everyone got the same answer? Go to finding x cube, students, now. Take x 10. Okay. You can go to the calculator here. I will show you one shortcut method. Go to directly. You can take shift x. You can see it is 10 cube. So you can do it in the calculator. So I'm getting here 1000. X is 12. So go here again now. In this, go to 12. So make it 12. Find the cube. You can see on the screen, students. Like this, you can use the calculator very fast and calculate remaining all the values. Yes, students, please tell me the total answer. Add all these values using calculator. You must get summation of x cube 26270. Please do it, students. Similarly, now you can see in the calculator we want x raised to 4. So how we can do x raised to 4? I'll tell you one shortcut method for this. Okay, go to alpha. You can see there is an x here. So I'll take x raised to. I'll make this as 4. Okay, x raised to 4. Is it clear? Alpha, here we have bracket, we'll get x, and x raised to this box is there. You can see x to the power. So I'm going to use x to the power 4. Now I'll just use this calc. When I use this calc, it will ask x value. Just put here 10. Okay, enter. See, I got the answer. Okay, so I'll write here the answer, that is 10,000. Again, don't change the setting of the calc. Again, use calc. Again, use calc. It will ask x value. In that case, you can take here 12. Oh, 12. Okay, and just press equal to. So it will give you the value 20736. Okay, again press calc. Don't change the settings. Use calc. It will ask x value. Just substitute here 15. 1 5. Okay, press equal to. So it will give x raised to 4. That is 50625. 625. Okay. Again press calc. Don't change the setting. It will ask x value. Type here 23. Okay, equal to. So it will give you the answer 279841. Okay. Similarly, again press calc. Don't change the setting. Calc. It will ask x value. Now you can type here 20. Okay, equal to. So you'll get here 16. Or you can take it as 1,60,000. Okay. So this much answer you should get. Sum of all these values, students. So to add all these values, you're going to get summation of x raised to 4. And please tell me what is the calculation you'll get. Yes, this is how you have to first take down the table using the calculator. Please remember, without calculator it's very difficult, students. Please use the calculator. On the right hand side, I'm doing the calculations in the calculator, and here what we have the step 2, table 2 is ready. Okay, what is summation y? In this case it is 100. So data is here only at the top of this screen. So it is 100. Then I have n. Please remember, n is 5, correct? 5a plus, write down, students, write down fast. B, summation of x we have 80. So we'll substitute here 80. Okay, plus c, summation of x square. So here we have summation of x square. Here we have summation of x square, that is 1398. So this equation 1 is ready. Okay, go to equation 2, summation of xy. Can you see summation of xy? We have 1684. Okay, which is equal to, again here we have a as it is. Summation of x here, we can see summation of x we have 80. So substitute here 80 plus b, summation of x square. From summation of x square is 1398 plus c, summation of x cube. Summation of x cube is 26270. Okay, substitute here 26270. This is our equation 2. Similarly, we have the last equation. So in the last equation, we want summation of x square y. The summation of x square y is 30684, which is equal to a summation of x square. We have here already. It is 1398 plus, and go to now plus b, summation of x cube. Summation of x cube is 26270. Then just take this side plus c, correct? Don't write here only, plus c. Okay, plus c. Yeah, summation of x raised to 4, that is 52120. This is equation 3. All the 3 equations you got? Yes, friends? You written? Okay. Now, yes, please go to the calculator and let us find what is the answer. So whatever you get using the calculator, that will become our ABC. So let us find ABC. Okay, so here I will write, therefore, using calculator, we find what we find, students? A, B, and C. Okay, let us go to calculator quickly. On the calculator first, go to setup, go to equation 5. So just go one by one step. 5. Can anybody tell me which value you are going to choose in this? Second one, correct? Yes. Second one we are going to go 2. So here we can see in the screen, friends, is the screen is visible? So first we'll take ABC one by one, and the last equation, please remember this, I'll just repeat this once again. On the calculator, go to more setup, equation 5. Please remember in the second equation we can see it is in the form of anx plus bny plus cnz is equal to dn. So all the equations ABC, wherever ABC is there, going to substitute those values. Okay, coefficients I'm going to substitute, like 5 here we have 80 and this is 1398. Okay, in this second row I'm going to substitute 80, 1398 and 26270. Similarly, third row I'm going to substitute. So I'm going to go for 2 and here I'm going to type one by one. It is 80 equal to, oh sorry, I made a mistake here. I have to go first 5, correct? Sorry, 5 first. No, okay. 5 equal to, here you can see on the left hand side it is 5a, so I'm going to take only coefficient 5. Then I have b, then I have c, then last is your d value. The d is nothing but which is equal to 100. Okay, similarly go with the next equation 80. Next we have 1398, then we have 26270, correct? Last d value is 1684. This is our second column. The last equation I'm going to take 1398, then 26270, correct? Then c value is 521202. Okay, and the d value is outside equal to, so that is 30684. Okay, when all the three values I'm going to fill in this calculator, just press here equal to 8. So by mistake, in hurry, you may make mistakes, friends. Okay, so be careful, we'll correct it. Six four eight. So here it will change. So it will become 648. Okay, then in calculator also it will going to change. You can let us make the correction, no problem. We'll go to the third one. It is going to become 30648. Yes, students. So here we have the correct value. So when you substitute all these values, so make the correction. So everyone got the same answer? So I'm going to take now minus 8.7279, okay, equal to the y value will be our b, that is 3.0099, and the c value, yes, here we have the c value, that is minus 0.0694. So let us substitute. Therefore y is equal to minus 8.7279 plus 3.0099x, and this is the last equation, that is it will become minus here in this case, minus our 0.0694 x square. So this is our answer. This is the parabola. Fit parabola to the following data sets. Okay, so let us, I will take the parabola data sets now. So what I want here, students, I want your step 1. Step 1 is n is equal to 9. 9 data sets are there. Yes, Susmita, sorry. Please check, Rohit. There are 9. Is n is equal to 9? Anyone? Is this clear? Yes, here is there. 1, 2, 3. Now take down the table. Take the table. X square into y I want to calculate. Okay, everyone you can try this. Alpha x, okay, into x square is there, sorry. Let us take x square, no problem. X square into alpha bracket, here you can see SD is there, y is there. See, x square into y, I think everybody got the in the calculator, x into y. Just press here calci and go on putting x and y values. We'll do it. X square into y. How we'll do it? Calci. Y is 1. Okay. Sorry, x is 1, y is 2. We'll get 2. Again press calci. X is 2, y is 6. We'll get 24. Press calci. 3, 7, 63. Okay. Press calci. 4, 8. Okay, 128. So like this you can calculate all the values of x square y. So therefore we get x square y as 2, 24, 63, 128, 250, 396, 539, 640 and 729. Can anybody tell me what is summation of this? Summation of x square y. Please check the answer. Similarly, you can go for x cube. Summation of y is 74. Okay, n we have taken 9a plus summation of x is 45b plus summation of x square is 285c. Okay, summation of xy is 421. You can see here it is 421 equal to a into summation of x is 45 plus b summation of x square is 285. Okay, plus c summation of x cube, that will take from this side, summation of x cube is 2025. Okay, then the last one, that is summation of x square y. So right here summation of x square y is 2771, which is equal to a into x square, summation of x square is 285, right, plus b summation of x cube is 2025 plus c summation of x raised to 4 is 15333. Okay, let us put it in the calculator. Go to mode setup, equation 5 and 2. We get 3 rows, 1 by 1 and substitute 9. Next we have 45, 285 and last is 74 equal to, okay, second I'm going to take 45 equal to 285 equal to 2025 equal to 421. Okay, last one I'm going to take last equation 285 equal to 2025 equal to 15333 equal to last one is 2771 equal to. So in the calculator I have calculated first one, that is 0.9. I think everybody got the same answer. Yes, Sagar, you got same answer. Using calculator, simultaneous equations. A, I'm getting, yes, thank you for your reply, beta. B, I'm going to get here equal to 3.52316 and Z, that is C, I'm going to take C is equal to minus 0.26. First A value, that is minus 0.9282 plus next I'm going to substitute B value, that is 3.52316 x plus last value is our C, that is minus. Okay, I will take here minus something, minus 0.2673 x square. So this is your final answer. Okay,